In 1987, while a resident in the Navy, anesthesiologist Scott Augustine acted on his observation that patients always came out of anesthesia shivering. He invented a product to help keep patients warm and improve post-surgical discomfort. That product became one of the most recognizable brands in the operating room, Bear Hugger. Now, 3 decades and over 200 patents later, Dr. Augustine is still innovating and helping to improve healthcare. My name is Brent Augustine. I'm the president of Augustine Surgical. Over the next year, we are going to create a short video each week on topics that we think you will find interesting. Our goal with these videos is to really open our doors, take you behind the scenes, meet the team, and teach the lessons that we've learned as we strive to deliver products that fulfill our company's mission to make surgery safer. So if you have any interest in going behind the scenes of a medical device company, learning about the innovation process, getting educational tidbits about the science behind important medical devices, and many other topics, including controversial ones, then we hope you join us. Check out these videos. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you soon.